Ready to crochet the spookiest little spider for your Halloween projects? This tiny spider is the cutest thing you'll crochet this season. Hey Halloween pals! I'm Nazanin and here is my crochet corner. Let's make this spooky spider granny square together. It's perfect for all your Halloween vibes. I made a bag before. You can find the tutorial of it in my Halloween playlist on my channel. Let's start it. You'll need two skeins of yarn, one in black and one in green. Of course, you can choose any color you love. You'll also need a crochet hook that matches your chosen yarn. I'm using a cotton yarn and 2.5mm crochet hook for this project. You also need a needle and a pair of scissors. Let's start it. Start with magic ring, wrap yarn around your finger, make an X, insert your hook inside it, grab a yarn, bring it out, grab a yarn, pull through the loop. Here is our magic ring. Now we're gonna making 3 chains. As a first, double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna making 1 double crochet. Wrap yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the ring, grab a yarn, bring it out, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops. Here is our double crochet. Again, wrap a yarn, insert your hook, grab a yarn, bring it out, grab a yarn, pull through 2, grab a yarn, pull through 2. This is how we make double crochet. We're gonna making 12 double crochet in the magic ring. Actually, we make 1. We need 9 more double crochet in the magic ring. Repeat this diagram until the end when you reach to the 12th double crochet. Let me know what color combo are you using for your granny spider motif. Classic, black, or something funky. And 12. Okay, close the hole by pulling up the loop from the middle, and in the end join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain. Make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Okay, now we're gonna making the round 2 by the same color. Make 3 chains as a first double crochet. Now make 1 more double crochet in the same space, 2 double crochet in the next stitch. In this round we're gonna making 2 double crochet into the each stitches. Okay, just increasing our double crochet in this round. If you're enjoying this video and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please join me for more fun Halloween crochet and send this video to your friends. Your support truly means a lot to me. Continue with making 2 double crochet into the each stitches until you reach to the end. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain of the first. Grab a yarn, bring it out from 2 loops, and here is our slip stitch. Cut the yarn and fasten up. I'll do it by needle all the time. You can do it by a hook if you want. Insert my needle under the 3rd stitch here, bring it out, insert it again inside the 1st stitch, and bring it out. And secure it between the stitches in the wrong side. Don't push too hard the needle, just moving between the stitches very slowly. And after that, cut the yarn and done. Bring your next color. Make a slip knot on your hook and wrap a yarn around your hook for the first double crochet. Start from any stitch you like. Insert your hook into the back loop. Look, here is our stitch. Here's the first loop, here's the back loop, here's the 3rd loop. Insert your hook inside the stitch and your double crochet in the back loop. Bring the yarn out from there, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. If you want, you can make 3 chains here, okay, as a first double crochet. Again, wrap a yarn around your hook. Insert your hook into the same stitch in the back loop and 3rd loop, make a double crochet. Now we're gonna making 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Keep in mind that you must make your stitches in this round only in back loop and 3rd loop, okay? make one double crochet in the one stitch, in the next stitch 2 double crochet. Okay, repeat this diagram until the end of the row by making 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, tell me what color are you using for your spider motif. Tell me in the comments. Repeat this diagram until the end. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the first double crochet or third chain if you made 3 chains at the first. Okay, then make 3 chains as the first double crochet and 1 chain for the 1 chain space. Make 2 double crochet in the next stitch. We're gonna making our stitches in the whole stitch, complete stitch. Okay, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. Again, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. Wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook, grab a yarn, bring it out and pull through all the loops. Then make 1 single crochet into the each next 3 stitches. Again, 1 half double crochet into the each next 2 stitches. And for the next corner, 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Here is our second corner. For the next side, make 1 half double crochet into the each next 2 stitches. 1 and 2, 3 single crochet. Actually 1 single crochet into the each next 3 stitches. 1 half double crochet into the each next 2 stitches. And third corner, 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Chain 1, 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Here is our third corner. Repeat this diagram until the end of the row. In the end, make 1 more double crochet in the first stitch that we made before that and join with the slip stitch to the third chain. Okay, 2, 3 here. And here is our second round from the green one, and move to the chain 1 space by the slip stitch. Then make 4 chains as a first double crochet and chain 1. Make 2 more double crochet in the same chain space, and now we're gonna making 1 double crochet into the each next stitches until you reach to the next corner space. If you're enjoying this video and haven't subscribed yet, please tap that subscribe button. I'll be happy that you're joining to my little crochet family. Okay, I reach to the next corner. In the corner space, make 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. Okay, repeat this diagram until the end by making 1 double crochet into the each stitches of each side, and in the corner spaces, in the chain 1 spaces of each corner, make 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. Repeat this diagram until you reach to the end. In the end, make 1 more double crochet in the first chain space and join with the slip stitch to the third chain. You can make this square as big as you want by making a few more rounds by repeating the last round. After that, cut the yarn and fasten off. I'm adding it here. Secure my tail of the yarn as usual by needle and hide it between the stitches. Cut the yarns. And that's it. Here is the body of our spider. Now we're gonna making the head. For the head, make a magic ring and insert your hook inside it, grab it and bring it out and make a chain. Here's our magic ring. Now we're gonna making 3 chains as a first double crochet. And now we're gonna making 11 more double crochet in the magic ring. Total of our stitches must be 12 stitches for the head. Only this round is perfect for the head. We don't need any more rounds here. Just making a 12 double crochet in the magic ring and done. Okay. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to add it to your playlist or share it with your friends who love crochet too. It really helps our crochet family grow, and I appreciate it so much. Thank you. And if you make this, don't forget to send me a picture of it. You can find my email or social media's address in the description below. Share your photos with me and make my day, my friend. Okay, in the end, secure your tail of the yarn, and after that, cut it. Now I'm gonna sewing the head over the body. Place it in the right place, and with my needle I'm sewing it between the stitches. Try to make your stitches invisible, okay? Sewing all around the head. Let's make the legs with the skin color yarn. First, make a slip knot on your hook. After that, find the spot where you want the legs to start. Insert your hook in there. Grab the yarn from the back and pull it through. And now just following an imaginary line and crochet slip stitches from the base of the legs. And if you want, you can draw the leg lines with a head erasable fabric marker. It's make everything easier. After that, you can make it warm a little with the iron, and done. Okay, do this for the all 8 legs of the spider. I'm showing you the one side of it, and this is the second leg of the spider. It's the easiest way to making the legs for it. If you want, you can crochet it too, but I think it's complete perfect for it. If you make it very well, it will be fine. Okay, continue with making a slip stitches for each leg between the stitches. If you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment, maybe a little pumpkin or a little spider. It's very helpful. Thank you a lot for your all support. Okay, the last leg of this part. Insert my hook inside the stitch, make a slip knot on my hook and grab a yarn from there. And now I'm gonna making the slip stitches. Okay, it's perfect. Okay, got the yarn, and now all we need to do is that secure this tail of the yarn. Okay, do this for the other side. Now I'm gonna make the web line for it. Okay, now I'm insert the hook into the spider bottom area. Start crocheting a straight line with the slip stitches. Okay, this will be the spider's web thread. Okay, you can sewing it with the needle if you want. Okay, cut the yarn. Now I'm gonna secure the tail of the yarns. You can do this by the needle. I'm using my hook for secure the tail of the yarns. Insert my hook inside the stitches and grab a yarn and bring it out from there, and then do this few more times, and after that cut the tail of the yarn. Okay, as I said to you, you can use your needle for secure the tail of the yarns. Do this for the all tail of the yarns. Okay, that's it. And now I'm gonna attach the eyes for it. I'm using the doll eyes. You can sewing the eyes for it. I'm using these little eyes for it, and attach them to the head with the hot glue. Okay, it's perfect. Okay, fix them with the hot glue on the face. Okay, the other one. Okay, and that's our spooky little spider. I hope you loved this Halloween project as much as I did. Don't forget to try it out and send me a picture of your spooky spiders. I'd love to see them. Love you all. Happy crocheting. See you in next spooky Halloween video. Bye.